Today on the Roadhog Roadhouse, we're going to go over this Victor's Tactical magazine catch for the Glock 43. We're going to rate it against the factory one. So let's get it started. One of the first things I'm going to go over is this tactical magazine catch for the Glock 43. I've installed one here, and the factory one is on my girlfriend's Glock 43 here. And I will tell you, I sit here and I look at these differences, and this one is not bad. The factory Glock is not bad. It works, no issues with it at all. Now the one that's on this one is the Victor's Tactical. Now it's a little bit less profile. It's supposed to be extended, but it's got a little bit of tread here. It might stick out a little bit, but I think the factory one is just as good or better than this one here. So both of them work fine, but if you're looking for one that's sticks out a little bit more, this one's probably not it. Let's see if I can get that. There's Victor's Tactical. Factory. I don't know. It's a hard decision which one's the best. That factory one's really not bad at all. You decide. Comment down below. And if you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on the build of my custom Glock 43. It's not done yet, but lots more parts are going to go on it. Thank you for watching today. Always subscribe, like, and comment down below, and there'll be more videos on this Glock 43. As always, if you ride her hard, don't push.